Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to open the pictures in Windows. So what is the pictures in Windows? So the my pictures or the pictures is like the default. When any picture is created or added to Windows computer, they are saved in that pictures folder. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are back at my desktop. So first of all I will click on this start menu and then I will click on this pictures. So this is the pictures folder of my Windows. So this has just this picture over here. So this is the pictures folder in Windows. So this is how you open the pictures directory or the pictures folder in Windows. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to open the pictures in Windows. Thank you for watching.